Well, this is a big one. Xbox's next-gen plan leaked. Cloud hybrid console plan for 2028. Let's take a look at the article, shall we? It's from GameStop. In a major leak, Microsoft's plans for the next generation of Xbox consoles have been revealed, including a heavy focus on cloud hybrid technology, machine learning, and AI. This will be interesting. It's all about the cloud. All about the cloud. The question is, with things like this, what about rural areas with no internet or low internet speeds, right? It's going to be a problem. Always has been a problem. A number of sensitive documents detailing Xbox's upcoming plans have been leaked due to the FTC versus Microsoft court case, including several slides detailing plans for Microsoft's next generation of consoles. The future consoles have a focus on cloud hybrid technology and seem poised to encourage a greater use of AI and machine learning in gaming tech. Well, yeah, why not? Let's take a look at these little documents here. We have developed next-generation hybrid platform capable of leveraging the combined power of the client and cloud to deliver deeper, immersive, and entirely new classes of gaming experiences, what they just said. Key strategic decisions and investment. CPU, ARM64 versus x64 Zen 6. GPU co-design with AMD or license AMD IP Navi 5. NPU, balancing the desire for flexible, programmable ML silicon versus high-performance silicon for targeted workloads. Forward compatibility. With its graphics innovation, the graphics stuff is always better DirectX, better ray tracing, dynamic global illumination. So with ray tracing, obviously it's heavy on lighting, a lot with reflections, and global illumination, light physics with nice soft shadows and things like that. Thin OS. I don't know what Thin OS means. Lacking Thin OS, $99, consumer or handheld devices. And you could see they have a roadmap here. You have your key points here. Cloud to edge architecture across silicon graphics and OS enabling ubiquitous play. Optimization, acceleration of game performance operations and development for players and creators. Open an extensible game and immersive app development platform. You have game performance, experiences, creator efficiency, key points like that. So it's interesting. And the article continues to read, the table of key strategic decisions shows that Microsoft is considering switching to an ARM64 CPU like the Nintendo Switch uses. Points listed under graphics innovation also show Microsoft is targeting DirectX ray tracing for its next consoles, as well as machine learning powered graphical enhancements, which is good. I mean, if you've seen what ray tracing does on these higher end GPUs, it looks fantastic. In general, Microsoft seems to be putting a lot of focus on AI and machine learning for its next generation, touting its use for optimization and acceleration of game performance operations and development for players and creators, which we saw in as a key point. So it seems like they're kind of going the Nintendo Switch route. The thing is, Nintendo Switch owns the portability market. It's the Switch. It's Nintendo. They're the kings. But on top of this roadmap, what are we getting to now? We're getting a new Xbox controller. Features haptic feedback and gyro controls. Revamped Xbox controller will reportedly launch alongside mid-gen console refresh. Let's take a look. I don't know about the two-tone on here, but this is the world's best controller now playing on screen near you. Ubiquity, play anywhere. Xbox Wireless 2, Direct-to-Cloud, Bluetooth 5.2, seamless pair and switch, new mobile app features, that's nice. See paired devices in cloud, manage devices and accessories, immersion, feel the game, precision haptic feedback, which is always nice. VCA haptics double as speakers, an accelerometer, quiet button, and thumbsticks. Do good, feel good, rechargeable and swappable battery. I just feel like this was something that needed. Why didn't they develop this on release? I know a lot of people were very underwhelmed by the controllers. It's like they just used the previous controllers and updated it to Bluetooth. So what else? We have durable and reliable. New modular thumbsticks, improved longevity, continued build improvements, and approachability. Engage and delight. Lift to wake. Familiar Xbox feel. Same ergonomics as Merlin, same layout and activation forces. these SELE XDL options as expected. So, I mean, hey, it looks nice. What do we have here? In the documents, Microsoft touts the controller's sustainability, as it will come packaged with a rechargeable, replaceable battery, which we just saw. Uses more recycled material and less resin. That's nice. The document reports that the controller is also easier to take apart and repair. I think that's great, actually. You ever open up your controllers that you use? You see how dirty they get? Now, they do note here, these documents could be out of date. The controller's features or specs could be different by the time it actually releases, if it ever does at all. The court documents leaked plans for the new Xbox models include a digital-only Xbox Series X codenamed Brooklyn. They also discuss details for the next gen, such as Cloud Hybrid Console, planned for release of 2028. This is going to be really interesting. You know, this is all gaming has taken a really interesting direction now. Back from if you look at the early to mid 90s to where it's going and has been going now, especially with lighting and AI and these gaming engines like the Unreal 5 engine, which is just obscene, and how crazy the technology has gotten. It's a good thing, I think, for us as gamers. But Cloud Hybrid Console for Xbox, I don't know. They're really trying to push this cloud gaming, this streaming type thing where you could get all the great graphics that you have in one of these. Play it off your phone. That's where it's going, right? That's where it's already out there, right? So who's going to be the pioneers to really push this? Because I remember when streaming music off of a pay service like Spotify, people were like, what is this? Like they didn't want to change for it. And now that's all you have with, Apple Music and Spotify. And that's the norm now. So the norm is going to be cloud gaming on a device. Let me know down in the comments. I'm curious of what you guys think about this. I appreciate you guys. That's some news. I'll talk to you soon.